Muskabu munene wa kanisa cia Katholiki Diocese ya MERU SALESIO Mwambi nabuthitie Misaa Ya Kûrombera Mca ba kaunti wa mona mbunge yo bakere nyuma ya Misaa ya Mca baba nkuseniri MERU kaitene kai kareta uguni bunene ne ya kaunti ya MERU bakiwa ate boba tekwenda wondi fund ringi nikira bakwenda ni mbesa kwa yanukire wondi chionde no tembeta chuti wa itena ngwe Mca baba riwa kwethira mantu MERU ya titora kubatera bakethira kinya bakibanga kubwithira warirungira kwabelia gavana Kawira itine Antone Kathenya aina riboti.
Bishop wa kanitha ya Katholiki ya MERU SALESIO MUGAMBI no atongeretie maromba mama kanithani ya Cathedral ya MERU maromba mala banganitwe kurombera assembly ya MERU abunge ba assembly no amuna kaunti ingima ya MERU. Kiri maromba mama otongere bo assembly ne ya MERU bula tongeretwe na speaker wa county ino ayubundi na kwithira bukinyitwe ni MCs kathomba ba assembly ino speaker ayubundi akere na gwite mibango yonde ile ile assembly ne ya MERU kwa thaino ni akiguni kinene kile akari ba county ino
uri atwambaire mukiria tekiniko twambiria na Father Gichunge Father Mutwiri ya twambaire Marian University twambiria na Father Gichunge Father Mutwiri na narua ni skuru ikomba guteria family nyingi muno ana bakathomera kwi gi family kwithia biashara nao kou mathoganira twathoganitie mathoganio kumba uteria MERU yo yonthe na nyatwe na arua turiaja tureshimiwa baba askofu tukwenda kwira mathoganira tukuthogania tija kuthira na arua na tijetu ya MERU yo yonthe jara MERU ikarira ruju na oke
bakiale kile mambura mama MCs baba assembly ne ya MERU ni bagite bagatigira mbesa ja kariba county ino ni gutumika bula kubaterie
na Bishop, I'm happy to report to you those who have been left here ibara ba mwire batekwenda kwita now na we have decided kuona bora tukutethia antu ba MERU no mwanga to put this county to Honda at whatever cost. So, na chawa budget na wale something about the budget. We have decided this year. Nontoke kwa ile kuna tere moja MERU ngavana arekere nyawe ita kabisa. Na karaka ile njara na tikoroita no. We want to make sure development gets those ones. We want to make sure kinyana ranga vana kona yakai no kote kwa kabisa development igeta no equally.
And na ito kwanda promise that batu to county assembly MERU to stand for MERU. To stand for MERU na kanisa ya Catholic nero amete na batwe
MCs baba haitha ni bogute mubango la benau no gutigirwa wadi kire county ino itikuna ndea milioni 60 kire muga wa kigina wa bilioni 3 na miradi ya MCs ikabanga nagirwa kile assembly na gukinywa ke gavana aomba kuingia miradi ino.
We are going to share every project at the county assembly na project jonde chigairwa at the county assembly chigeta wondi ne gavana gake the running budget in a specific project mwira go to adwana we implement this road and this one and this one and this one and this one. That's exactly what we are going to do. So baraba etre wonka bete ko ira project na lakini ende ni rachokere na and na area ya assembly so na batu we have said we will make sure every ward carry this county in at least 60 million development came by the 3 billion. Now there are some people who have asked for 15 million, Bishop, and we will give them exactly that. What are the 60 for other one? So those who want 15 million for their ones, as we do the project, we will give them exactly that. Not to know whether they automate, you know whether they automate by the 15.
That constitution ito ete inya, neto ete mandate, neto ete kila kitu. Lakini watu MCA tunataka kuchezea mbegas. Tukarengera mbecha tukera mami wetu jokie chionde alafu tukaeto tire marujo hata amoreto mami toena ombi akwera ngekwano mwangawe jawonke na to atega nyaba bagonka bare onka berira tije kederia ari na mbiribiri otabonere getira nana bare onka berira ikokona nara bakirira
kiale Kûrombera Mama MCDMK kiogora amonogu na ulite kanitha kire kaunti ino kutiga ukila na kwalire mantu mara makuthi na mbele magi siasa na mono mara melekere kithurano ni kia mwaka wa 2027.
Kanisa ni ataratarire the last election ya 2022. It's a wake-up call for the church to be involved in the forthcoming election of 2027. You cannot stay out of it. You can't stay out of it. So I call upon you because I know you are political, Father Kaberia. The bishop might not be get involved directly, but don't shy from getting out of it. At the church and politics are separate and the government. No, right now there is someone calling herself Saint Bishop Kawira, who is the current governor of MERU. How separate is the government from the county government?
Mwenogu Bishop SALESIO Mugambi na ugitaba utakanitha bakathi na mbele kurombera utongera ba county ino ya MERU kenda gutigira mauntu ni makwagira.
We watu ya rombi nguyetu kurombera serikali yetu. That's one of our duties, to pray for our country, to pray for also kurombera county yetu kinya atongeria bayo. That is there every day. Dene maromba jetu nontu tui turomba rukiri na tukaromba kinyogoro denge kinyo tuko igo turomba.
Nkiripotera Weru TV Mbita Antone rangi wa Kathenya.